Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to set up channel memberships on YouTube. If you're a YouTube creator looking to earn extra income, setting up channel memberships is a great way to do it. It allows your subscribers to pay a monthly fee in exchange for special perks. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can set it up. First, check if you're eligible. Before you can start offering memberships, you need to meet some requirements. You must have more than 1,000 subscribers. Your channel has to be monetized, which means you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. You should be in a country where memberships are available. You must ensure your channel has no serious strikes or violations. If you're unsure about eligibility, check your monetization tab in YouTube Studio. Next, enable channel memberships. Once you're eligible, follow these steps to turn on memberships. Go to YouTube Studio. On the left-hand side, click on Monetization. Then, click on the Memberships tab. You'll see a setup page. Click Get Started and follow the instructions. Finally, create membership levels or tiers. Now, you can create different membership levels or tiers. These are price points where members can choose how much they want to pay. For example, Tier 1, $1.99 per month. Tier 2, $4.99 per month. And Tier 3, $9.99 per month. Each tier offers different perks, and higher tiers should offer more valuable rewards. Alright, let's talk about adding perks for your members. Perks are the special benefits your members get. These can be things like custom emojis they can use in live chats, badges that show up next to their name in comments or live chats, exclusive content like members-only videos or posts, and even early access to new videos. Think of perks that will make your members feel special and want to stay subscribed. 5. Create a welcome video, optional. YouTube gives you the option to create a welcome video. This video explains what members will get and why they should join. You can make this video short and fun to give your subscribers a good reason to sign up. 6. Promote your memberships. Once memberships are live, it's important to let your subscribers know. You can talk about it in your videos, add a mention in your video descriptions, and use community posts to remind people about the perks. YouTube will also show a join button on your channel page and under your videos, making it easy for viewers to become members. 7. Manage and engage with members. Once you have members, keep them happy by delivering the perks you promised. You can post exclusive content just for them, give them shout-outs in your videos, and run polls to ask them what kind of perks they want. The more you engage with your members, the more likely they are to stay subscribed. Final thoughts. Setting up channel memberships is a great way to build a community and earn extra income. Make sure you provide value to your members, and they'll support you for the long term. Now that you know how to set it up, give it a try and see how it can help grow your YouTube channel.